Hi, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito na mga IG post ni Genre. So sabi niya nga, last day. So mukhang ito na yung last taping day ng Pulang Araw. At mukhang tama yung pinost ni David sa kanyang Instagram na day 100 of 101. So yung day 101 ay today at last taping day ng Pulang Araw, guys. At mukhang sa Intramuros yun. Next nga ay tweet ni Sir Nathan Perolino, winter concert at the park with David Licauco on December 8. Ayan na nga. At kasama pala si Dennis Trillo. Don't miss David Licauco and Dennis Trillo live at the Philippine Festival Tokyo 2024 winter concert in Yoyogi Park on December 8. Ayun na nga. Ang mag-amigo pala ang mga harana sa mga taga-Tokyo. And next, ready, set, all out na. It's time for Lazada All Out Bato Bato Pick Showdown. Join David Licauco, Kaisha as they battle Ann Curtis Smith on from December 6 to 8 to pick their move and get a chance to win 2,000 Lazada voucher daily. Stay tuned on Lazada X, FB, and IG4 Mechanic. Uy, grabe lagari si David, ha? Ang dami niyang ang dami niyang events. Dahil niya pa si Barbie. At next ay post ng Sparkle GMA Artist Center, sparkling brighter than ever. Tatler's December 2024 issue features GMA Network Senior Vice President Annette Gozan Valdez, Sparkle stars Alan Richards, Tanya Lopez, Gabby Garcia, Julian San Jose, Michelle D, Ruru Madrid, and David Licauco as GMA gears up for its 75th anniversary. In an interview, GMA's visionary sheds light on the strategies that help the network Sparkle navigate various challenges and how it strives to remain relevant in the news media era. Ayun na nga, so si Barbie lang yung wala sa Pulang Araw. Kasi mas maganda sana kung nandito si Barbie, no? At in-IG story nga yan ni David. At nasa post ni Miss Isabel Bulutao, Barbie Fortesa and David Licauco are the newest brand ambassadors of Buzz, the voice-centric messaging app, Buzz Barda for Buzz. Let's watch their video. Ayun na nga, so ayan, kahit tawanan at usapan lang na ganyan, di ba? Ay nako, they're so visually perfect together, grabe. At yun na nga. Ayan, di ba? Ang cute. Ay nako, grabe. Anyway, the pretty Barbie Fortesa. And next is Buzz Voice Connects. Buzz is a voice-centric messaging app that makes communication effortless, faster, more natural and engaging, bridging rare or age language barriers with simple push-to-talk service. Let's watch this.
Buzz converts voice to text in silent mode. Miss kita. Download Buzz now. Sa Buzz, sobrang convenient ng push-to-talk. Hi, Ma! Download Buzz now.
Next, ito naman po IG post ni David Licauco. Ayan na nga, maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat. Enjoy up to 5 million worth of gifts until January 5 by checking out your Oppo app or visiting an Oppo store near you. Ayun na nga, I so love the quality of this video. Kita-kita yung kagwapuhan at kakitan ni David Licauco. Ayan na nga, di ba? At yan. So mga fans at si David Wison at yun. Unfortunately wala siyang audio pero yan, kitang-kita naman yung kita ni David. That's for Oppo. And next naman I have more pictures of David with his fans. Ayan na nga, Oppo. And this is at ito naman ay TikTok video ni David Wison. At yan ang akala niya siya yung pinag-cheer ng mga fans. Pero si David Licauco pala. David Licauco fans pala itong mga to. Kaya yan, napakamot siya ng ulo. At yan, sa Oppo Store. At yan, nakapagsayaw pa siya dun sa mascot. At comic relief pala siya dito, guys. Pakit na si David. Ayan, Oppo. Okay, more of David Wison. So, medyo kahawig niya si Mark Alcalan. At next ay Instagram post ni Miss Barbie Fortesa. So, McDonald's Stripes run for reading was successful. We hope of you had fun despite of the gloomy weather. Thank you for all so much for participating, as the proceeds of this event will go to Buhay Bulilit Learning Center. Thank you so much, Macdo PH, for making us part of this fun yet meaningful event. Ayun na nga, napaka-pretty si Barbie na parang nene. Ayun, si Nay Fatima. At Stripes Run for Reading. At yan, meron pa silang warm-ups before tumakbo. At yan na si Barbie. At yan na si David, na bagay sila. At yan, Casey Macdo. Si Ronald McDonald pala, sorry. At yan, namimigay na sila ng medals for the winners. Ayan, Borda o selfie with the fans. Unfortunately, wala siyang audio, nakakagigil. Ay, napaka-happy nga nila. Kahit na hindi ko gets kung ano yung sinabi actually ni Barbie doon. Sa isip mo lang yung narinig ko. At next naman, ay ito pa rin yung ribbon cutting sa Avignon Clinic. Ano nga si Miss Marian, si Ding Dong, si Barbie, at si Ma'am Annette Gozon Obrogor, at si Sam Milvey. At next naman is the very cute David Licalco. Urban Time Holiday Gift Guide. Tommy Hilfiger up to 30% off. Shop just the sale. Check out at urbantime.com.ph. At next naman ay post ng Netflix, casually waiting for the day Adelina and Hiroshi see each other again. But for now, these photos will have to do. Borda forever in this world and the next. Gusto ko yung caption. In all fairness, bumawi yung Netflix dito sa pictorial ng Borda, di ba? Yung skills, ang sweet. Ang cute. Bagay na bagay talaga, no? Grabe. O, di ba? Ang fierce nitong picture na to. At ito naman talagang lean on me. At yan na nga, in IG story siya ni David Licalco. At ito naman, Instagram Reels galing kay John Ra. Ayan nga si Barbie Fortesa. The Pretty Miss Barbie Fortesa. Ayan. So, parang 70s ng konti yung style niya ngayon. Pretty. At yan nga sila ni David. Back to back. O, diba? Kita yung ngiti sa mukha ni David, no? Talagang sa niya. At yan nga. The Pretty Miss Barbie Fortesa. I really like this picture, no? Grabe. At ito tweet ni Nini. Sabi, they knew what we wanted. And Hans Josefina tweeted, pak o ano ngayon? Expensive couple, tignan. And another tweet, hindi lang hawak sa kamay sa balikat, sumandal na talaga. And Fila Fever said, K-drama vibes. At tweet ni Tingy, the wifey making lambing to the hubby vibes. At tweet naman ni Liz, hoy, meron palang magkatabi, pinatagal pa pinahirapan pa tayong mag-edit. Uy. At tweet naman ni Chinita, Hiroshi, seryoso, dapat pigilan mo yung kilig mo, uy. Hahaha. And another tweet by Hans Josefina, itong si Netflix PH talaga, may pabarda forever in this world and the next pa. Ayaw na naman namin na mag-delusional. At tweet ni Amy, scream so power couple, my Adeshi. Tweet ni KDR, I'll be forever soft for David Licalco's tender gaze to Barbie Fortesa in the shoot. And how fitting is the background music. I think they call this love. The warm, soft grace that brings the fuzzy feeling like new love brewing. At next ay tweet ni Army, Barda signature pose. At the end of the day, all you really need is someone who loves you and always has your back. Ay may tatlo na silang picture na nakasandal sa likod ang isa't isa. At next naman ay tweet ni Present Progressive, kapag may usok may apoy, kapag may usok may chismis, kapag may chismis may marites. Belated happy birthday, cheers to your last hooray with the big B. Hello 2025. Compare and contrast daw. So, kinompare nga ni Present Progressive yung mga greetings ni Barbie Fortesa from 2022 to 2024. At yun daw lasang pinaka hindi sweet. And another tweet in Present Progressive, when your girlfriend was trying to avoid any possible physical contact with you, At sa tweet naman ni Josephine ko, iwas na, hirap na baka mahawa ng macho dancer syndrome. Pero actually, hindi ako masyadong convinced dun sa observation ni Present Progressive dito. Although yes, umiwas nga si Barbie dito sa particular video na to. Pero yung isang video ni Barbie tsaka ni Jack dun sa restaurant, kumis naman si Barbie kay Jack, no? So, yun. Hindi pa ako masyadong delusional dito. Parang hindi pa. I'm still not convinced, guys. At next time, observation ng friend ko, yung nanay ni Jack, abot na yung smile nung kasama si Jack. Pero nung nagpa-picture siya kasama ni Barbie, hindi na siya nakasmile. Parang binaplastic niya lang si Barbie, no? Halatang-halata naman, grabe. At next time, Instagram story ni John Ra, happy last taping day. Thank you, honey, Barbie Fertesa at Carlitos Catering. Uy, nagpa-cater na naman si Barbie, grabe. At ito galing kay John Pinote, last taping day ng pulang araw at putok na putok nga yung mga muscles ni David sa likod. Nakasando, ayan nga napakupriting si Barbie sa harap. At next naman ay kakapost lang ni David, babe, can you join my team in the Lazada Bato Bato Big Showdown? If I win, or if we win, we could get 2,000 pesos worth of Lazada 1212 vouchers. Let's watch this.
Babe, baka pwede naman ako maglambing. Can you join my team in the Lazada Bato Bato Big Showdown? I really want to win kasi, because if I win, my teammates also get a chance to win 2,000 worth of Lazada 1212 vouchers. So, is it a yes? Yes! Babe, thank you. Let's go all out this 1212 with the Lazada Bato Bato Pick Showdown from December 6 to 8. Visit the official Lazada PH social media pages for more details.
Grabe close-up, pero ang cute niya doon. At next na nga ay may mga protesta na nga doon sa Tatler cover ni Annette Gozon. Sabi, Alden uncontested, he's the only, or he is one of the holy trinity of GMA, Dong Dennis. Sanya Michelle David should be replaced by Heart Barbie Jillian Ward. May legit na may napatunayan na Japs, Ruru, okay, sige. And in other tweets, where the hell is Barbara Fortesa? Barbie? Why was Barbie not included? In fairness, ang ganda ni Miss Annette dyan. Barbie and Heart should be there. Top tier actress. Sino yan sa Sparkle? Kaloka, sabi ng Kapuso Buzz. At ito nga ay may papatong na naman sa kamay si Sanya. At, totoo, bakit kasama si Michelle D, diba? Dapat si Barbie na lang yun. Tsaka si Sanya, wala namang... Naka-isang series lang naman siya, tapos wala akong maka-award. Grabe. Anyway, lastly, I post ni James Licao. Kasi yung nakaakbay sa kanya, guys. And there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Bardo updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!